Day 16 of Doomsday cult mom Lori Vallow's trial. Day 16 had started off with a guest that had been up on day 15 as well. It was Special Agent Steve Daniels. If you missed that, go check out episode 15. Up next on the stand was Dr. Garth Warren. He's a forensic psychologist, and basically his job is he's a medical doctor who tries to determine how people die. So this medical doctor actually did the autopsy on JJ. It was done on June 11th, 2020, and his findings showed that JJ had actually died of asphyxia due to the plastic bag over his head and the duct tape over his mouth. So as you know, JJ was duct taped and bound. There was also abrasions on his neck, which looked like he was trying to free himself. The medical examiner also stated that there was actually quite a bit of bruising. They said there was bruising on the upper left arms and that he had an actual hemorrhage on his right thumbnail. He shared that there were actually quite a few spots that were concerning or suspicious. He said there was bruising around the ankles as well that could have been related to the duct tape restraining him. He also shared as well that this all happened pre-mortem, so before JJ passed away, because the blood doesn't circulate once you have died, and therefore you wouldn't be bruising. So apparently JJ's autopsy took about 4 hours and Tylee's took a week. He said basically Tylee's remains were sent to him in several plastic bags. He said basically he just got bags of bones that were covered in a lot of debris. He said there was a lot of muck and dirt. He did state that Tylee's cause of death was a homicide, but he wasn't able to pinpoint exactly what homicide it was. Up next on the stand was Angie Christensina, and she is a forensic anthropologist with the FBI. So basically her job was to analyze the bones. So she basically had to go through Tylee's remains and figure out exactly what had happened. She said basically it was a lot of fragmented pieces. 3 of the bones that she had found had sharp edges, and she said they were likely impacted by a tool. That's it for day 16. Hit follow for more, and I'm about to post day 17, so go check.